Right, guys, there is a newborn deer right outside. I'm gonna show you right now. I got a shot from here. You see that over there? Oh, baby. That baby is right over there. See that baby over there? It just got birthed a while ago. And I think the mother has abandoned it. So, yeah, I don't know what to do, guys. That's the little baby right there. It's still newborn, so I don't think it'll live. Just got, like, given birth, like, a couple of hours ago, or a couple minutes ago, I don't know. But it's like a couple hours ago or so. I hope his or her mom come back, because that is a starving little baby right there. It can't even walk or even stand up. Poor deer.
Salam?
Ha?
Gape lang?
What nagabay? Alright. So, the newborn baby can't stand up, and it is only like a couple hours old. It cannot walk or even stand up. Poor dear.